Hey everybody, it's Greenwood again with another tutorial video. Today's video is about describing polynomials and determining if something is a polynomial or not. So remember from your background that polynomial just means many terms, poly for many. Nomial kind of goes name or term. So polynomials have to have a couple of things. They have to have whole number exponents, and they have to have positive exponents once we've completely simplified. So no negatives, and also no square roots. All right. And then in the next video, we'll talk about how they're named based on their degree and number of terms. So let's just start by checking out if something is a polynomial or not. So -8. All right. So there's no variable term here. So essentially, it's like having an x to the 0 power. So that exponent is a whole number. 0 is all good. So this is just a constant. And so the answer to this is yes, this is a polynomial. People get confused with the negative here. It has to be a negative in the exponent. A negative number can be a polynomial. Okay, let's look at this one. So I look at my exponent. I've got a fraction and I've got a negative. So those are both no-nos. But I also have an end to the fourth here. So if you remember your power rule, you multiply these two things. So 4 times -1/2. That's going to become -2. So half of 4 is 2. Positive times negative is negative. So we get n to the negative squared after we simplify. And if we do that, we have a negative exponent. So no, not a polynomial. -4v to the fourth. My exponent is +4. So we have no negatives. We have a whole number. There's no square roots. So yeah, we are good to go. This negative on the coefficient does not affect it. 10x to the third plus 5x squared minus 6. Whole number exponents, just a constant term. So that's part of it. That's good. So yeah, this one is also a polynomial. And then lastly, let's look at this thing. So I'm going to simplify. I see a negative exponent here. There's a possibility it could go away. It might not. So 4 times 3 is 12. Let's do my a's. A squared. Remember, this is b to the first power. So 1 minus 4 is -3. So when I simplify this thing down, I get 12a squared b to the -3rd. I've got a negative on that one, so that means no. That is not a polynomial. Okay? So that's the long and short of it. Polynomials, you're looking for no fractions, no square roots, no negatives after we simplify. And that should help you determine if something is a polynomial or not. In the next video, I'll show you how to name polynomials based on their degree and number of terms. We'll see you then. Bye.